Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious jalapeno hummus. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a perfect, creamy, and spicy dip every time. We'll cover everything from selecting the freshest ingredients to blending them into a smooth, irresistible spread. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this fantastic, easy-to-make recipe that adds a kick to any meal or snack. To begin, gather your essential ingredients for this flavorful hummus. You'll need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, thoroughly drained and rinsed, along with 2 to 3 fresh jalapenos. Don't forget 1/4 cup of creamy tahini, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, and 2 tablespoons of bright lemon juice. A drizzle of good quality olive oil and a pinch of salt will complete your ingredient list, setting the stage for a truly delicious dip. Now, let's dive into the simple preparation. First, roast your jalapenos until they are tender and slightly charred, enhancing their flavor. Next, combine the drained chickpeas, tahini, fresh garlic, and lemon juice in a food processor. Add the cooled, roasted jalapenos, then blend these ingredients until they start to become smooth. While the processor is running, slowly drizzle in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to achieve that perfect, creamy consistency. For the best results, remember a few key tips. You can easily adjust the spice level by adding more or fewer jalapenos to suit your taste. For an even creamier texture, try adding 1 or 2 tablespoons of ice water while blending. This delicious jalapeno hummus is perfect served with warm pita bread, crisp fresh vegetables like carrots and cucumbers, or your favorite crackers. Garnish with a swirl of olive oil and a sprinkle of paprika for a beautiful finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.